Hey everyone, welcome back to another Linux tutorial. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most powerful and flexible tool in Linux, the set command. If you ever needed to find and replace the text, modify configuration files, or automate edits in scripts, set is your go-to tool. I will be running these commands on Rocky Linux, but they apply to most Linux distribution. So let's get started. Let's see the manual page for set command. You can see the options here. Sed is known as a stream editor, is a command line tool used for text manipulation. It processes files line by line, applying the changes without needing a text editor. This makes it perfect for automated modification in a script or batch processing. So let's see some examples. I have created one file for this demo purpose. This is the file. So now let's see how we can manipulate this file with set command. So first, let's see the replacing the text in this file. So I will be changing the domain name here. Suppose you migrated to a new domain and need to update it in a config.txt. How we can do? Can run set. Yes, give the existing name what you want to search, old hyphen domain name. I will paste here. / I want to provide new domain. This will be the new domain. Okay, where you want to search, you need to provide the path. The path is the existing directory, so I will provide file name. So here you can see earlier it was old domain.com as a server name. Here we have updated to a new domain.com and new domain.com. This replaces only the first occurrence in each line. To replace all occurrence in a line, you need to run G. Just you need to add G here and press enter. It will update all occurrence in a line. So let's save the changes. As of now, you can see if I check the existing content, it has not updated to a file. You can see it is the same content, olddomain.com. So to update to a file, we can run the same command. Just you need to add -i. Press enter. -i flag applies the changes directly to the file. Let's see the file now. You can see the domain name has been updated from old domain to a new domain. Let's see the another example. If you want to remove a lines starting with a hash, so I will run set provide starting means you need to use caret symbol, provide the text. I want to search for hash, and what I want to do, I want to delete it. In which file? config.txt. So it has been removed. As you can see, all hash lines has been removed. This line, this line, this line, and these two lines has been removed. Only the lines which does not start with hash has been remained. This is useful when cleaning up config files before deployment. Say we want to delete a line 7. So what we can do, set, I will provide the line and run config.txt. This will remove the line, 7th line. This line has been removed. So using, let's clear the screen. Using 7D, it will search the 7th line and delete the line. If you want to delete lines 5 to 7, you can run. Let me cat the file first. config.txt. So it will delete the lines from 5 to 10. set, I will type 5 to 7, delete it from the file name config.txt. So it has been deleted. Directly it starts from db user, means these 3 lines has been deleted. 5, 6, 7. 3 lines has been deleted along with the space, a new line. This is useful for trimming the unwanted sessions. If you want to display only the database settings and you want to extract database related lines, you can run, I will give db underscore, provide the file name. Only db related lines will be printed as we have given db underscore. The -n flag prevents full output, so only matching lines are shown. To display the line 8, we can run set -n, give the line number followed by p and provide the file name. It will present db user equals to admin. To add a new db timeout settings before a line 6, you can do it with set command. Before line 6, I will give 6i timeout and provide the timeout number and give the file name. Here we can see it has added db timeout. First line, second line, third, fourth, fifth, and at 6th line it has entered db underscore timeout equals to 30. This helps to modify the configs dynamically. To add a log retention setting after line 12, how we can do? Using set command, enter 12a log retention. I will type log retention, provide 7 days, config.txt. So here you can see the line has been inserted at a 12th line. Say you want to change the log level settings only on line 11. So you can do that with set. Let me check the line of log level error. Line number is 14. I want to change log level error to a warning. So what I will do, I will run set command, type 14, search for error and replace with warning in config.txt file. This has been changed from error to a warning. This ensures the targeted updates in a structured file. How to modify real-time logs? First, create a test log file with the sample data. I have created app.log data. Let me cat this. This is a sample file I have created. Now, view the logs while replacing error with a warning in real time. So tail-f app.log. If you run this, you will get as it is. What I will do, I will use set command to search error and replace with warning. Here you can see earlier it was error. I have used set command and replace error with warning. It has changed to warning. This is perfect for monitoring the logs dynamically. To make a backup before modifying config.txt, we can run set -i dot back search. You can take backup as well. New pass 456. This creates a conf.txt.bak as a backup file. Let's check that. This is our file. It has created a backup by using this command. And that's it for this tutorial. We have explored how sed command helps in real-world Linux administration, from bulk text replacement to modifying log files and configuration. Whether you are a system administrator automating updates or developer tweaking the settings, sed is the essential tool in your Linux workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Linux guides. Also, check out our other videos on Linux command and system administrator. See you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.